We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hello everyone, it is time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
I'm Joseph Ling, and I'm a driver myself. I commute and sometimes on the freeway, and as most people here in Taiwan should know, that if you go on the freeway, you have to pay a toll when you get to a toll station, but now we've also installed what's called an electronic toll collection, or otherwise known as ETC. 大家都知道，政府最近呢推出一个新的这个在高速公路上面的收费的方式，就叫做电子收费站啊，就是 ETC. 然后呢，我们还可以顺便呼吁大家有关 ETC 的一些 rules, because there's a lot of rules here. First of all, you don't want to be going on the wrong lane. If you don't have an ET system installed in your car, you will be penalized if you go through one of these. Secondly, there is a speed limit when you drive through an ETC toll station. I think it's about 40 kilometers an hour. You have to keep under that speed limit in order to enjoy the convenience of this new system installed. So why don't we teach a few words right here? 第一个呢，既然讲高速公路，那高速公路哈嘎怎么说呢 ，Alice？
高速公路。
等一下，你有开车吗？
有啊。
有啊，那也会常开到高速公路。丧失记忆了，你忘了吗？
没啦，丧失就是有的时候。
sometimes. 丧失 sometimes 丧失。Okay, so she drives on the highway sometimes, and you say 高速公路怎么讲？
高速公路。
哦，蛮简单的，高速公路。Oh, that's a highway or freeway. How about let's say you're speeding? 因为今天要呼吁大家不能超速，然后也要正确的走对车道哦。超速怎么说？
超速。
超速 that's speeding. Let's say you got into the wrong lane.
行唔错查拖。
等一下，好长哦。行唔错查拖。
查拖就是车道嘛。
哦，查拖 is the lane. Okay, 车道。
行唔错。走错了。
唔错是错嘛，所以行是行，对不对？
对，
行错车道了吗？
错。
Got it. Okay, so that's how you say you're in the wrong lane. 行唔错，查拖。And finally, if you really were silly enough to do one of those things we just said, either speeding through it or got in the wrong lane, you are going to be penalized. And so 我们会有罚钱，对不对？如果犯了刚刚讲的这些，那怎么说？
该去参的，罚钱。
罚钱。Okay, there you go. That's our highway lesson of the day right here with our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
什么太嘎？
俺子 say 张伟聊。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.